We'll guide you through how to factory reset any AirPods or AirPods Pro. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are different reasons why you may want to do this. Perhaps you're trying to go and sell or give them away, and so you want to go and make sure they're fully reset so they can be used with another Apple ID account. Or you're trying to go and resolve a problem. Often doing a factory reset can go and fix problems you may be running into. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure there's full guides so you know what you need to do. So to get started, you want to make sure they're both in the case like so. When you open it up, you should go and see the light. This means they've got charge and we can go and do this. Now, what you need to do is come onto your iPhone and you need to go and press the settings like so. Now, by default, you'll probably come onto the main page here. You can then go and find AirPods at the top, or you want to go down and find Bluetooth and tap there. And in My Devices, you can press the eye to the right and you'll be taken to this page. You get to the same page if you go and tap them at the top here, like so. Now what you want to do is you need to scroll down all this page, or have to go and start blurring it out as it has got some information about it, like the serial number. But at the bottom, you'll go and see the option for Forget This Device. So you can go and tap there. You'll go and get a pop-up and you'll need to press Forget Device. You'll get another pop-up saying this will remove AirPods from all devices signed into your iCloud account. And you'll just press Forget. That's it. So you've now gone and removed them there. Now you should go and see they may start glowing white. If they don't worry. But you want to then close the case and you want to go and just reopen it. Make sure they're both in there. Now, if your AirPods then have a button on the back, what you need to do is go and tap and hold it. Hold it down until they start glowing orange on the front and you can release. This means they're then resetting. If there's no button like mine, do not worry. Just close the case, reopen it, double tap the light on the front. It'll make a sound, double tap again. Then you double tap again. And then they'll start glowing orange and they'll make a quiet beeping sound. Now just go and wait and you'll know it's complete because they'll start glowing white again. You can go and close them like this. And then what you can do is you can go and open them again. And I'll just put my iPhone up next to it. We should get a pop-up and you can now go and connect again. Now, it does still say the name here. That's just the iPhone remembering it, but the name should go and be removed now if you try using it on a different device. So if you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos. We post these every single day, so I'm sure you'll find it useful again.